What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show y'all how to mash up 2 or more PDFs right on your iPad using the Preview app. This trick's going to work if your iPad's rockin' iOS 26. All right, let's roll. First up, pop open that Preview app on your iPad. You'll see all your PDF files chilling there. Just tap on whatever PDF you want to start with. Once it's open, pop up at the top left and hit that little toggle sidebar icon. Boom! That's going to slide out all your page thumbnails on the side. Now, tap on those 3 dots you see on one of the pages. When that menu pops up, go ahead and tap Insert from File. You'll get a new screen showing all your files. Just pick the PDF you want to merge, then smash that open button up top on the right. And just like that, your PDFs are all stacked into one doc. Quick bonus for you. Want to throw in a blank page? Super easy. Tap those 3 dots again on any page, then hit Insert Blank Page. That's it, fam. If this vid helped you out, drop a like and hit that subscribe for more slick iPad and iPhone hacks.